Welcome back to a look at your weather. Looking at this almanac for today, we are seeing that high temperature got up to 90 degrees here in Hattiesburg, and seeing that is 7 degrees above average, and we'll continue to see that these temperatures are going to be above average, which it's still normal to see that 90s will be here and there throughout October, but we'd like to see these temperatures try to be cooling off and feeling a little bit more like fall. We stayed dry today as well. Majority of the showers stayed off to the south, allowing for us to stay dry, but the weekend may be looking like we'll have some showers. So across, we're seeing that those 90s were really the picture. 90 in Hattiesburg as well as Laurel. Meridian got up to 92 and then 88 in Wiggin. So these temperatures still feeling above average, and we'll see that will continue. What we're seeing is that we're still in this maroon area and red area, seeing that we'll have these above average temperatures even until the end of October, or into the middle of October. But one thing to note is that this gradient is very tight. So if we have a switch in the jet stream that's allowing for us to stay fairly warm and then the north to stay fairly cold, if we see that jet stream move, though, there'll just be a quick change in the weather, and we could see fall come within just a few days and having temperatures get down into the 70s. We'll see that we'll currently look at that radar, no showers. We're not going to see any possibilities tonight, and tomorrow's looking like another dry day as well, but the weekend's looking like some showers are possible. We're still having this high pressure system located just here on the eastern coast, which is bringing in some warmer air and then bringing in that tropical air that's allowing for it to feel fairly humid and feel more summer-like, as it's bringing in a lot of tropical air from the Atlantic and even from the Gulf, as they have been staying fairly active throughout this whole hurricane season. We've been staying fairly quiet the last few weeks, but we are going to see that there's still some disturbances here and there. Tonight, though, we'll get down to 70, still fairly humid overnight, but those skies will be clear and waking up to a clear sky as well, seeing that sunshine shining right away at 8 a.m. That high will get up to 92 degrees tomorrow, and we'll continue with those mostly sunny conditions and temperatures climbing right back up into the low 90s as that high temperature, as we see here, sunshine all day, and then that feel like temperature has the potential to even reach as high as 99 degrees and maybe even see a triple digit here and there across much of the parts of Mississippi, north and south of the area. So we'll see that this pattern will stay consistent tomorrow, but maybe possibly showers. What we're seeing is there's a low pressure system and a disturbance down on the Yucatan Peninsula, and there's that possibility to see maybe a strengthening of this low pressure system if it does organize. And when it moves into the Gulf of Mexico, we're seeing that there's that slight chance right now. It's under 10%, but it could change as it moves closer to the Gulf to become maybe possibly even a tropical storm as it moves through next week. And even if it doesn't, it still has the possibility to bring even some heavier rain chances for our area into next week, as we're going to see that we'll see some chances for showers this weekend, which is just some built up from the tropical moisture we're having. Temperatures break the 90s, but then we see that we become cloudy, but still see that humidity as that tropical air will still creep towards Hattiesburg.